Assalamu alaikum. Today we're still carrying on with debtors. So today is the 6th of April, and in your notes you can just jot this down for me, please. We have debtors, and we're going to be discussing discount. Okay, so if you're going to a shop, I'm just going to call this place ABC Stores. So we've gone to ABC Stores and we've purchased some goods. Okay, and we buy on credit, which means that we did not pay any cash, we bought on credit, and we receive an invoice. Okay, we've done all these things with the debtor's journal where we have a debtor. Okay, so this one is your debtor. And you're going to the shop and you're buying goods on credit, and then you're going to receive an invoice. So if you look on the invoice, okay, you'll have an invoice number, you'll have details of what you've purchased and some amounts there, and at the bottom it will tell you how much you are owing. So if we look at our invoice here, we are owing 300 Rand, and then you may see terms 30 days, 10% discount. Okay, and this is what we're concentrating on today. So I've got 30 days, 10% discount. So what it means is, if I've gone to the shop and I've got my invoice, and I'm using an example on the 1st of May, it gives me 30 days to pay the invoice, and then I qualify for a 10% discount. We all like to get discounts. It makes our buying cheaper. And if we pay, so this invoice is telling us if we went to ABC Stores and we bought for 300 Rands, if we pay our invoice within 30 days from the 1st of May, we will qualify for a 10% discount. Okay, so what we're looking for there is we're always looking for three things when we are doing a discount. The first thing is we're looking for an invoice amount. So if we go back to our invoice here, you can see that my invoice amount is equals to 300 Rand. The second thing is I'm looking for my discount. So I want to know how much of discount am I going to get. My discount is 10%. And the third thing that I need to look at is how much of money will be paid. Okay, so to calculate my discount, I'm going back here. I'm going to take my invoice amount, which is the 300 Rand. I'm going to multiply it by my discount rate, which is 10%. So if I do it on my calculator, I'm taking 300 Rand times 10%. I come up with 30 Rand. My answer is 30 Rand. So I will get a 30 Rand discount. And the amount of money that I will pay will be 300 Rand minus the 30 Rand, which will be 270 Rands. So just to recap, there's three things we're looking for. We're looking for our invoice amount, which we're going to get from the invoice that we purchased our goods on credit. We're looking for our discount, which we're going to get from the terms. And we're also looking to find out how much are we going to end up paying.